All right, so special thanks to this company for sending us their Basecamp bike helmet. So this is how it arrived in this nice Basecamp bag, and we will figure out how to untie it. And let's take a look at this helmet. There we go. So nothing else in the nice Basecamp bag. So they give you, look at that, little battery and screwdriver. That's because it has this little light on the back, so you're able to be lit up at night. You can see this is the side of the helmet, little logo there. Also has like a little visor for you, and this side same logo, and then that's the back. You can even turn this to loosen or tighten it. It gets smaller. That is pretty nice. Nice, comfortable chin strap here. Nice, clippy helmet. And then there's your instructions for the rear light. So that'll do it for this bicycle helmet unboxing. That's what comes inside of this bag. Thanks again to this company for sending it to me to unbox and show you. And thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.